Backed by documents, Governor Amado Espino Jr. refutes the claim of Commission on Elections Chair Sixto Brillantes that he failed to submit his Statement of Contributions and Expenditures, or SOCE, on time. In a press conference Thursday morning, Brillantes said that Espino, together with other 421 officials, should vacate their posts for failing to submit their SOCEs within the deadline as required by election laws. This is in reference to Republic Act 7166, or the Synchronized Election Law of 1991. Espino, in a separate press conference in the province, contradicts Brillantes and says that he has submitted his SOCE on June 10th.
As announced earlier today by COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes that I did not submit my Statement of Election Contributions and Expenditures, or SOCE, during the last election in May 2013. On the contrary, as evidenced by these documents, duly certified by the COMELEC Provincial Office in Dagupan City, the SOCE was received by the Pangasinan Provincial COMELEC last June 10 at 3:40 in the afternoon. It was subsequently sent to COMELEC Manila in one bunch, together with the SOCE of all provincial and congressional candidates in Pangasinan.
Attorney Geraldine Baniked, the provincial legal officer of Pangasinan, further attests to Espino's statement.
So we just want to clarify that it's not true that the governor did not submit. We have complied with the provisions of law. Actually, mas maaga tayo kaysa dun sa deadline.
She adds that the SOCE was received by two departments, namely Election Records and Statistics and the Law Department.
So kung halimbawa nawala sana dun sa isa, meron pa isa. Kasi yun nga hindi natin maintindihan, isang bulk yun ng documents magkakasama. So kung nawala sana yung kay Gov, nawala lahat. Bakit yung kay Gov lang yung nawala?
Even Provincial Elections Supervisor Marino Salas confirms that Espino has indeed submitted SOCE and complied with the requirements of the law.
As far as our record is concerned po, nakapag-file po si Governor nung SOCE niya. Nung June 10 po. So, na-receive po namin ng June 10, padala po ng June 21, na-receive ng June 22 sa dalawang department. Basta po ang sa amin, may papaliwanag namin. Sigurado kami is, nakapag-submit po si Governor, naipadala namin. Nandito naman po lahat ng ebidensya sa amin.
Moreover, Espino has even presented to the media the receiving copies of said documents duly signed by the provincial COMELEC representative before the deadline, which was June 13th.
Ito yung sinabmit namin sa kanila na ni-receive nila. Nandito lahat ng resibo, ng expenditures and expenses, no? At ito namang isang folder, nandito rin yung mga, kung kani-kanino yung mga ipinadala, report na SOCE ng iba-ibang mga kandidato sa Pangasinan at yung resibo sa GRS at yung mga listahan ng mga nandito sa loob, yung ipinadala sa COMELEC yung mga kandidato. Nandito yung listahan. So I hope therefore that as far as I am concerned, this issue will now be laid to rest.
Broadcasting from Pangasinan to the world, EJ Dangla, Pangasinan Watch.